Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a T10 Torx screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Also, have a clean workspace ready where you can lay out the parts as you remove them. Begin by unplugging your Dyson V10 and removing the dustbin. Press the button on the side of the vacuum and pull the dustbin away from the main body. This will give you clear access to the motor assembly. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are usually 3 screws that hold the motor cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the motor cover with your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connections. With the motor cover removed, you will see the motor and wiring. Now, disconnect the wiring harness from the motor. To do this, use your tweezers to carefully pull the connector apart. It can be a bit tight, so take your time. If you don't have the right tools or are not comfortable doing this yourself, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. After disconnecting the wiring, proceed to remove the motor itself. There should be a couple of screws securing the motor to the base. Use your T10 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Once removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take this moment to clean out any dust or debris inside the vacuum using a soft cloth or a brush. Regular cleaning will help maintain your vacuum's efficiency. With the old motor out, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws using your T10 Torx screwdriver to secure it in place. Next, reconnect the wiring harness, making sure it clicks into place securely. Now, it's time to reassemble the motor cover. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened well to avoid any issues when you power on your vacuum. Before you finish, give everything one last check. Ensure that there are no loose wires and that all screws are securely tightened. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions without any pressure. Finally, reattach the dustbin and plug in your Dyson V10 vacuum. Test it to ensure that the new motor is functioning properly. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've just successfully replaced the motor yourself. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Thank you for following along, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.